A very good afternoon, my dear students. Right now I am discussing about the formula of marginal costing. The formula is sales less variable cost, this is known as contribution, less fixed cost, this is known as profit or loss. Next, sales minus variable cost equals to contribution, or contribution equal to fixed cost plus profit. Then from 1 and 2 we can conclude that sales minus variable cost equals to fixed cost plus profit. Why? Because contribution equal to sales minus variable cost and contribution again equal to fixed cost plus profit. If x equal to y and y equal to z, then we can say x equal to z. PV ratio or C by S ratio, that is contribution to sales ratio. The full form is PV ratio is profit volume ratio or contribution to sales ratio. What is the formula? Contribution by sales. Next, contribution per unit by selling price per unit. Then change in contribution by change in sales. Then change in profit by change in sales. Then profit by margin of safety ratio. Then what we understood from the formula, that means from profit volume ratio itself has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 formulas. You must have to remember all those formulas. Why? According to question you have to apply your formula. Okay. Next, contribution equal to sales into PV ratio. Next, sales equal to contribution by PV ratio. Variable cost formula is sales into 1 minus PV ratio or sales into 100 minus PV ratio. Next, fixed cost equal to sales into PV ratio minus profit. Fixed cost equal to sales into PV ratio minus profit. Profit equal to PV ratio into margin of safety. Desired profit equal to sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Break even point equal to fixed cost by contribution per unit. If it is actually in units, suppose when we are interested to find out the break even point in units, then the formula is fixed cost by contribution per unit, and in sales value, that is fixed cost by PV ratio, and another formula is fixed cost equal to sales by contribution. Now I am telling what is break even point. As we know, break even point means the company neither earns any profit nor suffers any loss. That means your earnings is exactly equal to its cost. Margin of safety equal to total sales minus break even sales. What does it mean? Total sales, suppose the break even sales is 50,000 and the company has earned 50,002 rupees, then what will be the margin of safety? Only rupees 2. Then profit by PV ratio, the formula, and lastly is margin of safety ratio is equal to total sales minus break even sales by total sales. This is the total formula about the marginal costing.